What's good, everybody? It's your boy Cafe, and I want to ask y'all a question. How would you feel, or what would be your reaction if I told you that you can get fresh, hot pizzas out the vending machine? Just think about that for 1 second. You don't believe me? Let me break it down to y'all and come back and give you my thoughts. According to ABC, it says DiGiorno Pizza coming to vending machines. This is definitely not delivery. DiGiorno is testing vending machine pizza. The company has two kiosks inside a Walmart in Colorado and at a Nestle company's Ohio campus. According to the company, the vending machines have a commercial grade oven inside so they can output fully cooked DiGiorno's 10-inch thin crust cheese and pepperoni pizza. It only takes 3 minutes, and each pie costs $9. Now, hearing that, it's got my attention and definitely got my money whenever they make the machines available. Now, I know some people might say DiGiorno's pizza. I'm not a fan of DiGiorno's. I don't really care for it. Some people are. Me, I'm a fan of DiGiorno's pizza. You know, I wouldn't say I'm in love with it, but they have good pizza. And now to know the fact that pretty soon I'll be able to get it out the vending machine, fresh and hot, is another great thing. Now, some of y'all may say they only got these machines in two locations. Yeah, because what they're doing is that they're doing a test run to see what the response is going to be. You know, now if these machines do good enough that they bring in high demand, then don't be shocked when you see these machines all over. Now, when I say all over, do I think they're gonna be in all the states all across the US and all that? No. I say they're gonna put these in heavy traffic places like New York, LA, Chicago, down south. And you're gonna see them in train stations, bus stations, airports, and office buildings. And what I mean by office buildings, not just a regular office building that you go up into. I'm talking about the big office buildings, like in the downtown areas where you have all these different companies in there, and you may have a food court where they serve different type of foods. Those type of office buildings, because those are high traffic areas. And then when people come down to the food courts, they're gonna look at all these other foods down there, and we all know that those restaurants and those food courts can be pretty expensive. So when you come down there, you be like, hey, I want to get this, and it might run me like 15, $20. You may not want to spend that $20, but you look over here and see this DiGiorno's pizza vending machine. It only costs $10 and I can get my pizza in a couple of minutes. You're gonna be like, you know what? I'm gonna save this money. I'm gonna save this and go over here and get this $10 pizza, and it's gonna hold me over. I also say that whenever they decide to make these machines available as well, that it's definitely going to take over the market. And you're also going to see other companies, which if they're not doing right now, seeing this, that's probably saying, oh, they're going to make a piece of vending machine. Let's try to jump on that now and try to get our stuff out there before they do, because it's competition. But I think this is a good idea by DiGiorno's. I also think that that when they do this, that, how can I say this? It's definitely going to raise money questions. And what I mean by money questions, meaning that people who gonna want to know that, are these machines just gonna be strictly by DiGiorno's, or are they gonna be franchised to where you can buy the machines? That's the question people gonna want to know, because business people are gonna say, hey, you know what? Let me see if I can buy a couple of these machines, just like how they buy with vending machines. But the question is DiGiorno's going to make these machines available for you to buy, or are they going to keep it strictly in-house? We don't know. They haven't said too much about it. We just have to see. But you all let me know, how do you feel about this? DiGiorno Pizza testing out fresh hot pizza in vending machines. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think it's a bad idea? Let me know. And until then, stay tuned.